So I'm going to show you how I begin my process with cleaning my meat. I have them in a little bit of water, and I'm just going to swish them around a little bit, and next I'm going to add some distilled vinegar. Put some of that in there. And you just want to swish them around. The reason why I have on gloves is you want to be extra careful when you're cleaning your meat, especially chicken. Do this for a little while, and then we're going to get them seasoned.
Hey guys, and welcome to Tonya LTV. Today on the menu, I am making sweet and sour chicken. Yummy. Okay, you've already watched me watch my meat, and now we're getting ready for that good old seasoning. I have rosemary, parsley, nature seasoning, ground mustard, chili powder, onion, and garlic powder in this. And I'm just going to stir it up.
Get all that goodness, honey.
Look at all that yummy goodness. We're just gonna get it all through there, honey. Okay, guys, now that I have my chicken all flavorful, I have some flour and cornstarch here. And I have my plate to get it over there to that grease in a bag to shake it up, shake it. I'm going to take one of these juicy wings and I'm going to flip it over into here, which I did backwards. I'm going to add my flour and cornstarch in this bag. Shift it over. And I'm going to start adding them. Put a couple in at a time and shake them up, shake them.
Okay, so my oil is nice and hot. And I'm just going to drop these wings right on over.
My chicken is frying, and you can hear it. And the smell, good. All right, so while that's getting ready, we got to get started on this sauce. And I'm going to cut up my red peppers, bell peppers, and my red onions. All righty. You want these kind of big. You don't want really slim slices. So I'm just cutting them pretty big like so, like in 4 pieces. And then we're going to cut those in half. So it's boom, boom, chicka boom. Oh, that one was just boom, boom. All right, and I am just going to cut it about this thick. Throw it over into my bowl. Once we get the sauce going, I will add my pineapples in last. I think that's a little big. Same way with your onion. Just want sort of bigger slices on your onion. Chop, chop, and you're finished. Super fast, quick and easy. It's painless. Okay, guys. Yes, I snuck me a piece. That's so good. That's good. Let's get to the sauce. I have distilled vinegar, ketchup, brown sugar, garlic, and soy sauce. And I'm just going to mix this up. It smells sweet and sour in here, honey. Oh, so good. I want want to dip this piece of chicken in here so bad, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to go ahead, heat it up, add my veggies, and add those pineapples. Okay, guys, I'm going to take this pineapple juice and pour some right into this sweet and sour sauce. And we're going to add the pineapples and the veggies and get some goodness started, honey. Flavor, flavor, flavor. Sour sauce, I am going to next add in my veggies. Yum. Okay, we are going to let this sweet and sour sauce simmer down. It's already looking so delicious. Oh my God, I just love veggies. Okay, I have my chicken out and I have my sweet and sauce ready. It's time to plate it up. Okay, so I have captured some of my sauce out and you see I've already laid my peppers and pineapples. So I'm just gonna drizzle some of this sweet and sour sauce right over my wings. That look delicious. Oh my gosh. Sweet and sour fried chicken. Yummy. I would say it's time for my taste test, but you guys know I have already, the whole time I was eating. We're allowed to eat while we're cooking. All right, until next time, guys. Bye.